Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to this unboxing of Jungkook's photo book. Let's get right into it. I did order 3 copies for the 3 random photo cards, but let's just flip through one first. Also, this OPP plastic, it feels quite crinkly. Yep, it's made of 100% biodegradable material and you should throw it in the general waste. So they are making some environmentally friendly decisions, I think. It has the clear, ooh, wow. Okay, there's the clear cover and the back. Me, myself, and Jungkook, time difference. Okay, I'm gonna slant you a little so that it all fits in frame. Day. Jungkook mentioned in his latest live he saw all the other members' photo book concepts and he felt his was a little too like on the nose, like it was very heavily conceptualized, but we have no complaints here. This is gorgeous. So this is a vampire by day. I guess he's sleeping in his coffin or inside. And then there's an and section. This is my first time seeing this because I managed to stay away from spoilers despite getting my order a little bit late. There is a fold poster. This is the back. Wow. This poster is gorgeous. This is the front, time difference. Oh, here's the photo cards. They're tucked in right behind the fold poster. I think this is the type A card that comes not random. And then here is the photo card that is random, 1 of 3. It has sort of like a maroon back. Very cute. I'll take this out too. Is his skin sparkling a la Twilight vampires in the daylight? Oh my gosh, I love a good sparkle. And this is the stamp. Oh, they're not stickers, they're actually like just a sheet of stamp perforated little pictures. I don't know if they're adhesive. They don't feel like adhesive back, like gum jelly back, but beautiful stamps. He's got like sort of like dust and sparkles on his cheek. Wow, this is really beautifully laid out. Like the play of light and shadow. It fits so nicely with this concept of vampires and day and night. And now we've got inner self, grapes and pomegranates. Dang, this is gorgeous. Sort of into like maroon tones here. Red wine. Vampire JK. Oh my gosh. Yes, remember this preview photo? Time difference. Is this more like, I'm getting sort of, is it dawn or dusk? Okay, it's night. This feels like night. Okay, and here is, yes, so if you, there's 8 photo books in this series, right? 1 for each member and a group, I believe. And then the backs of these mini prints turn into a group photo. Look at the, this is day and night right here. So there's that. And I remember seeing there was like a coaster that said, they said it was a coaster, but they also said it was like not water resistant. I'm like, what's the point of a coaster that's weak to water? But it's beautiful. It's double-sided. Has like the phases of the moon to represent time difference, and then it has a little sleeve. Very cool. He's got a match in his lips. Wow. Okay, so that was like maybe dusk, and now we're into night. I mean, he's in this red jacket, sort of a modern vampire. Is it 200 years later? Is this like 200 years ago JK vampire, and this is 200 years later modern day vampire JK? Time difference? Are we time traveling? They did something with contact lenses to make that eye effect. Wow. And then he's disappearing into the smoke. These are all so, like, the concept is so cool. And then there's the preview for the next member. So Namjoon is coming next, obviously. His birthday's next. And then these are the other members. Wow. I mean, the concept, overall concept is vampire, but we got so many different looks. Day, and then dusk vampire, sparkly sunlight vampire. I really like this set of photos, actually. This might have been my favorite spread. And then black and white and into the night version. Very pretty. Very cool. Okay, let us open up the other two copies to see the photo card pulls. It was behind the poster, right? Oh no! Same photo card. It's separate here. Okay. I'm scared. Okay, here's... Oh my gosh! Yep. Alright. Hopefully I can find trades for these. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're safe and well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.